Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do kind of demo about my new toy I just got, and it will be more like a demo actually and not like unboxing really, because it will be about this car, Pathfinder SL all-wheel drive. It's a little bit large actually to put in a box, so I have to do without unboxing I guess. And it's a deep blue color, 7 seaters, all-wheel drive, and with premium package. So far it looks good. And the reason I didn't go with electric one right now, as you know, in California we have a lot of problem with electricity, and if you get electric car it's great, but if you have an earthquake or anything happens and you are out of the power, and in my area a lot of people stay out of the power during the storm and stuff, so I decided to go with a regular car this time. Maybe in a few years I'm gonna go full electric as well, and then we'll do another video I guess. So right now it's gonna be about the Nissan Pathfinder. So this car comes with a kind of intelligent remote, which is I used to have it with BMW about more than 12 years ago. There's actually nothing new to this technology as they claim to be. You can open all your windows if you want to with one click, so it will open. And here's what I don't like about this car much, that the window cannot go all the way down. But again, I picked this car for a few different reasons. One, I like the design, and second, my wife likes the color and the design. It's a large car, so it will allow me to bring mini bikes to the beach if I want to, and I can bring now fat bikes out to the beach. I can attach the rack over here, and even without rack I can put a lot of bicycle inside the trunk because it's really big, and you can check it out as well. So you can open it basically the same way as my previous car, which has been kind of old, so I have to replace it. It comes with a real large trunk. It comes with a 7 seat actually. It's easy to pull up like this, and you got 3 more seats on the back. Okay, so I'm gonna show you inside. You can also close this tailgate, so you just press and hold it and it will close it by itself. I think many cars comes like this feature, so it's nothing like amazing anymore, but I'll show you more inside. It comes with a privacy screen over here, or sun protector, whatever you could call it. Some cars comes and some cars doesn't. I actually tested over 9 cars before I picked this one. So it comes with a black interior, like charcoal. I already have like kid seats here, and inside it's captain seat, so you can remove this piece and you can walk through like easily to the back seat if you want to. So you got 7 seats. It's a little bit more space than in my BMW. You can move actually back seat back and forward if you want to. You can recline them, so it's really good. It's independent. Also they come with a heated second row, so it's great for somebody during the winter. It comes with a heated wheel and the seat. And let's see what is inside. So this car comes with a 9-inch Pilot display with a lot of information before you start to drive it. It gives you kind of notice which person is not seat belted. Since I have a kid seats on here, it will show that axis, so it means somebody's there, but it's not there, I guess, not belted, seat belted. Anyway, so Consumption on this car should be between 20 to 26 miles per gallon on regular gas, so you can put premium gas. It's pretty large touchscreen display. You can go basically home. It comes with audio, then map, and cameras. The cameras, it can be 360. It comes with a lot of feature, and I'll go all this more once I learn actually. So you can heat up the seats if you want to. So many features, and honestly I'm not familiar because I didn't get much information. It was when I got the car, it was already evening, and I just decided to make the video now. So it's been less than 24 hours, I guess. It comes with nice sound system, both surrounding, and also space over here, nice. A lot of places for cup holders, 1, 2, and a lot of space on the side. You can open, close windows on the left side. You can adjust the mirrors over here, lock the car if you want to, also open the trunk. And over here, I believe this one is kind of give you cruise control with keeping the line, the distance between the cars. So there's many features which actually I'm still learning, and will have to learn before start to drive it much. The seats, it's not as great as in my BMW I had before, but it's still okay. I wish it would be more future, like more position adjustable, but it's just it's better than other cars I saw. It comes with a moonroof, and it's only open half. You can move the shade up. I don't really care about the moonroof because when it's California very hot, this area will get overheated and it will be very hot in a car. That's what I learned from my BMW. So I would rather have half as an Honda Passport or Pilot, but for some reason I picked up this car. I guess I tried all of them. This one have a little bit better handling on the road, that's why I picked it. This car comes with a lot of feature, like when you're driving, and if you have like car in blind spot over here, will be turn on light. And I think this feature comes with very many cars right now. And I said before, I tested like over 9 cars, and most of them come with the same feature, because I was looking in about the same type of car, different sizes I tested. So far interior looks good for me, and some of them have a little bit different design. It's a little bit close on the side and leather on the middle and close on the side, and you have all different options in this 4-wheel drive. You have different options to ride off-road on the snow, like eco mode, like sport mode, and you can tow like trail or going downhill the mountain. So basically this kind of few features. Also come with a manual transmission you can use, so you can switch over here, so it's very convenient, like a sport style. It also comes with a place where you can put the glasses. I noticed like Honda and Nissan have them, like BMW and Mercedes I think they don't for some reason, but that's okay I guess. And it has a light, different options to turn light on and off. It also comes with 20-inch wheels, which is pretty large, and it's good for softer, comfortable ride. And Pathfinder is great for off-road, for basic off-road riding on the snow. That's why I got one. I want to try to take my bicycle on the snow and to see how the fat bikes ride on the snow. So you might see future videos about me riding on the snow, testing the bicycle on the snow as well. And I'm looking right now for the rack for this, for bicycle to carry, like heavy one, because I heard like there's many stories when the bicycle will fall off from the rack, so I need to find the good quality one, and you might see some videos about that as well soon. And so far so good. And I'm just making this basic video demo because if you have any questions, I collect a lot of information about other cars, so I can answer you and give you maybe in the next video answer all the questions you might have in if you post comments below, because I test drive like many cars before I got this one. I did test drive Audi, BMW, Ford, Honda, Subaru, Nissan, few different models, and I drove Range Rover. So I did many testing, and honestly I got this one, but of course it's all depend on your finance. I would probably got different one, but so far for this time I think this one should do the job I need to. But I did test like even more, I think, cars. I test also Volkswagen and few more. So I did a lot of testing, but I have to change my car for some reasons, and here you go, this Pathfinder Nissan. And if you want to learn tips about buying the car, comment below as well, because I learned a lot in the past and a little bit change right now. I bought many cars in the past and list the cars, so comment below what you would like to find out, so I will be glad to answer and create a new video about and some tips. I think the problem I noticed that the person who sold me the car, they don't know much about how to use this car inside, technology wise. It comes with some home link, some programming you need to do, some settings change. It comes with some Apple Play, and I have Android, so I need to connect it with if I have an Apple phone, iPhone, it would be much easier. But for some reason I couldn't connect it so far for Android, so I need to do maybe hard connect for now, but we'll figure out, and then I can make all this video later with all the tips. So whoever buy Nissan, it will help you to get started. And this is a sticker on the car also. It's a 2023 Nissan Pathfinder SL all-wheel drive. So the MSRP is only 43,000, but then they add the premium package, and they add a lot of small packages like this light package, which actually it's cool for young people. Maybe if you want like light up when you open the door, you can see it says Nissan on the ground, but I think it's a rip-off for $1,000. I don't think you really need it, and it just waste. And I noticed like they put a lot of like well, I didn't get a lot actually. I was lucky to find the car without much extra packages. But if you look here, they put like carpet floor mats. It's like $255. Cargo package, it's just not worth it as well, almost $345. And then you got USB charging cable set, $90, which costs about only like $20 the max, so they charge $90. So I did get some rip off over here, but it's not only Nissan, all the cars they do the same. I think MPG, it's not really like accurate. I think I'm gonna get about between 15 to 20 on average, but it's gonna be better because I used to have diesel, and this one I can put regular gas, so it will be cheaper as the diesel. In California I already overpaying over dollars, so that's why I got this one. So the total price is only 50,000, this piece of metal. And again, it has a lot of features. The safety rating is not as great. The front crash, it's only 4 stars. The side crash is 5 stars, which is good. And rollover, it's not rated yet. I think it's gonna get only 4 stars because it's a tall car. They don't get good rating actually. And on the rollover, I noticed most of them don't get good rating on rollover. The best one I saw, it was Subaru. They 5 star mostly. Only rollover was like 4 star. But Subaru, I didn't like it because it was kind of not as great on the road, so it was a little bit like boat feeling. This one is more stable, but again, it's a family car with a little bit future to go off-road, like on the snow, without need to put chain on in California. So it's very important for me, so I don't have to worry about chain much when I want to go on the snow right away. And that's about it. I hope you guys comment below. Let me know what questions you have. I know which car do you think I should get actually, because next car I think to get electric car probably in a couple of years, of course, because right now I think the market is start to boom, but it's not there yet to get a good mileage, and I need at least 300 to 400 mileage distance. And I notice a lot of people who buy the car, they have a lot of problems by wasting a lot of time on charging them, and that's why. And also the price wise it's about the same, I heard, when you have electric car or gas car, now with all the time you lose. Thank you guys for watching. I'm looking for your comments, and I'll try to make new video with all the tips on this car and answer all the questions you might have. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.